Ruben Flores now faces a lawsuit filed by the Smart family civil attorney. KSBY's Megan Healy spoke with attorney James Murphy to find out why now and what he alleges in the lawsuit.
Civil attorney James Murphy is suing Ruben Flores for emotional damages in connection to the 1996 disappearance of Cal Poly student Kristin Smart. Now, in that lawsuit, Murphy alleges that Ruben and Susan Flores moved Kristin's remains from Ruben's property in Arroyo Grande and scattered her remains in the Wasna area just days after the San Luis Obispo County Sheriff's Department served search warrants in February 2020. Less than 24 hours after posting bail, Ruben Flores is hit with a lawsuit filed Thursday morning on behalf of the Smart family. Civil attorney James Murphy filed an intentional infliction of emotional distress lawsuit, saying there is compelling evidence Ruben and Susan Flores and Susan's boyfriend, quote, worked through the night under the cover of darkness to remove the remains of Kristin Smart to avoid having those remains at 710 White Court in the event of an additional search of the property.
And we have information that the contents of that grave site was then offloaded in some manner to another location.
He alleges that Kristin's remains were removed from Ruben's property and scattered in the Wasna area after the San Luis Obispo County Sheriff's Office served search warrants at the Flores' home on February 5th, 2020.
The civil lawsuit is based upon the fact that biological materials were found in the ground in a hole adjacent to the wall of Ruben Flores' house and under his deck.
Murphy plans to go after Ruben's assets. It's unclear what they are and how much they are worth.
If he has transferred those assets fraudulently, which we have information that he may have done that with Susan, then we're going to come after Susan's assets.
Taking the deposition.
In 1997, Murphy filed a wrongful death lawsuit against Paul Flores. Over the years, judges have allowed that lawsuit to move forward. If Paul is convicted of murder, Murphy will then ask a judge to lift the stay on the wrongful death lawsuit and move forward with the civil case.
We can wait until the convictions, if they are convicted, and then we can use those convictions to prove up our case.
In Arroyo Grande, I'm Megan Healy, KSBY News.
The next step is to serve the lawsuit. Ruben will then have 30 days to respond and discovery in the civil case will begin. It is likely the civil cases will move forward after the criminal cases come to a close.